This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Denise Esposito. Possibilities are endless. Make this executive pool home tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac centrally located in the exquisite area of WESTCHASE your own. Wonderful floor plan, light and bright. Large living room and formal dining room that overlooks the pool and SPA. A large office makes this perfect to work from home while enjoying this tranquil space. Great kitchen family room area, great for entertaining sliders to the LANAI. A separate guest suite with bedroom and private bath with private access to pool area. 2 additional bedrooms and bath makes this split floor plan very accommodating. Large master ensuite, sliders to pool area, large walk-in closet along with another large wall-to-wall closet. Ensuite bath with double sinks, garden tub and walk-in shower with water closet. Inside laundry room with wash sink and cabinets. Extended LANAI area, fenced yard and 3-car garage. Minutes from Tampa Airport, downtown Tampa restaurants, banks, schools, and a short ride to Honeymoon Island and Clearwater Beach. Also, tarpon sponge docks, so many things to mention. CED and HOA fees are under $1,000 per year. Call today to get your private showing. For more information, review